Hi everyone, I'm Corentin Thierry, Sales Manager here at BARTEC US for our Process Analyzer Technology PAT group. Today, we will be discussing the VISC-4 measurement cell. In this video, we will cover three sections. The first one will be the various components that are inside the VISC-4 measurement cell. Then we will look into what is the standard flow path of the sample as it flows through the measurement cell. And we will then finish with the typical maintenance items that are associated with the VISC-4 measurement cell. Let's look into the different parts that are composing this measurement cell. First, we have a capillary tube where the sample will be flowing and where the measurement of the viscosity will actually be done. Then we have the BARTEC heat trace that surrounds the capillary tube and that ensures that the area around the capillary is maintained at a constant temperature. The VISC-4 uses an equation to measure viscosity. This equation has multiple variables. One of those variables is temperature, which is why we have a constant temperature. One of the other variables is the pressure drop across the capillary. So through the differential pressure transmitter here, we can measure the pressure difference between the inlet and the outlet of the capillary. Another variable involved in the calculation of viscosity is the flow rate. The coreless flow meter here in the back gives us the flow rate as well as the density, which allows the VISC-4 to measure both kinematic, and dynamic viscosity. Finally, here in red, we have a control valve that is used to control the flow rate of the sample as it comes in the measurement cell. So, with this being said, let's look into a typical flow path for when the sample comes inside the analyzer. The sensor comes in through the analyzer inlet, and the flow is regulated by the flow control valve. The sample then moves into the capillary and coils around, exiting into the coreless flow meter. As the sample is in the capillary, the differential pressure transducer is connected to the inlet and the outlet of the capillary, thus monitoring the pressure drop across the capillary. As the sample exits the coreless flow meter, both flow and density are measured. The sample then exits the the VISC-4 measurement cell. With flow, density, pressure drop, and a constant temperature, we can then calculate what the viscosity of the sample is. And thanks to the densitometer, we can have both a result of kinematic and dynamic viscosity. Now, if we look at some of the maintenance items, there are actually very few maintenance items on this measurement cell. For the most part, it is a cleaning effort. Once to twice a year, depending on the application, we recommend that the entire measurement cell be flushed with a cleaning fluid to prevent any buildup, especially in the case of more viscous fluid. The VISC-4 analyzer as a whole has more maintenance items, but as far as the measurement cell is concerned, that is the only item that we recommend to do on a periodic basis. Now, you know everything you need to know about the VISC-4 measurement cell. If you have further questions or if you need further information for specific applications, please reach out to us and we will be more than happy to help you and guide through the various steps of acquiring a BARTEC Benki VISC-4 analyzer. Thank you.